Hey everybody, welcome back today again for yet another exciting episode of Dragon Ball card game opening. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have an exciting video for you today at OGandD Hobbies. It is going to be, I'm sure, off the hook, as we like to say here, or as I like to say because I'm lame, I guess. Anyways, we've got the premium pack set 7, 8 premium pack sets per box. Now, this is going to take a while to unbox, guys, but just to kind of give you the idea in this Fillet Master series of how we're going to get down to this one. See, it's best to start here and then just kind of work your way through. And then now is kind of the tricky part, but you just kind of work your way up that side there. And whew, boy, oh boy. Now I have some tape, I'm sure, that's going to need cutting. So not any more messing around, guys. We're going to fast forward through this once we show you the glory of it all. So yeah, guys, before I get started here opening these packs, I just want to do a quick shout out to the company I've been getting most of my Dragon Ball stuff from, guys. That would be Mirage Trading, miragetrading.com. They are located in Quebec, and also I do believe they have a store in Ottawa. Now, I am not living anywhere near their store, guys. I'm ordering online, and I find their deals to still be the best, even with shipping. Great items there. They've even got Pokemon cards. They've got all kinds of good stuff, guys. I definitely suggest checking them out. I'll put up, their website across the screen here real quick, so you guys can definitely check them out and see what kind of deals they have for you as far as the collecting scene goes. But yeah, I just wanted to say again, exemplary service from those guys at Mirage Trading, and I just wanted to say we appreciate that service from these guys, and hopefully we can work together in the future here, guys. All right, now without any more messing around, let's get cracking here, guys. Okay, again, we are looking for the God Rare, guys. The God Rare. Also, we're missing 2 secret rares, as we've already pulled one. We have Mira in the background there, and then our last video's epic pull of Goku Frieza there, guys. But so anyways, that's what we're after here today. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what kind of luck Mirage has brought me this time, because they sold me that God box, guys, that I just had in the last video. So there is Kaba. We have a Ouest leader card now. I don't believe I have that in the set yet, guys, so that's decent to have. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go blue, green. We've got yellow, we've got Goku, there's Trunks, and there's Monaka, okay. Zamasu the Loathing, we have Finn's Evolutionary Premonition, Sawar, alright, there we go. We've pulled this card before, guys, but definitely a nice card to have, very low cost, Realm of the Gods Ultra Instinct Goku card, so it's a nice holo rare to have. And a non-holo at the back there. We've got Frieza, Son Goku, Demon God Dabura, leader card there, Demigra, Vegeta, Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Maganon, Botamo, okay. I'm going to do another wish to the dragon here, guys. This dragon has been good to me. Okay. Super Shenron. We are looking for an SCR or a God Rare. Come on. Attack of the Dark Empire and Fused Zamasu. Divine Condemnation. And Son Goku, Sign of Mastery. Now, I do believe that is a good card. It's just unfortunate it is not holo. Nothing crazy. Videl, we've got Spectate, Piccolo, Robaloo, Vegeta, Korin, Planetmon, Gina, Magetta, Toa giving us the goo-goo eyes, guys. Alright, look at that. A new card to the set. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Gohan kicking the air. and he is kicking the crap out of that air, I'll tell you. Okay, Gohan, what are we high? Now that is, I've already pulled this SBR, guys, but that is a sick card. That is, I know it's worth quite a bit. So that is sweet. There we go, Gohan. Kick the crap out of the air. Alright, Golden Frieza. We got Vados, Trunks, Son Goku, Vados, Son Goku, Goasu, Martin. Alright, Legend of the Super Saiyan God. Let's wish to this dragon. Okay, normal Shenron. Normal Shenron. We're looking for a God Rare, okay? Alright, Zamasu. And we've got a poutine, guys. Now, I got to tell you, I have not eaten yet today, so a poutine would be so good right about now. And what's behind poutine? Pan. Challenging a demon god. Alright. Moving into box number 2 here, guys. We've got another Whis leader, Whis rejuvenating support, Demigra, Vegeta, Shadows Align, Super Saiyan Vegeta again, Zamasu, Attack of the Dark Empire, Konek, and awesome. There we go, guys. A holo leader card. You know how I like these? Because again, it's just, they've got some of the most insane artwork, and they just try to collaborate all of that with all those colors there, guys. It just looks awesome. And Son Goten at the back. Wah, wah. Let's get that Son Goku, the Great Priest. We've Kaba, Son Goku again, Son Gohan, Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Beerus, that's the Dark Empire support. Coercion, yeah, like, give me a God Rare already or I'll cut your head. Poutine and Son Goku. That's a cool looking card, guys. Those fingers coming at you. Oh, there we go, guys. Again, I do believe the Kusu Angel of Universe 10, I have that card already, but, you know, definitely nice. You get a double hit there, a common, super rare. We are doing alright. Okay. Father, son there. That's a nice leader card there. I like that one. With Super Shenron. Erase a Universe. Whis is coming at you. We've got the Demon God Devura. Son Gohan. He is... I don't want to know who he's punching. Moedo. Beerus. The Referee. A Body Steel. And we've got Botama's sweet looking lime green claws coming at you, guys. Now, again, this isn't like the craziest character to have in your set, but look at this artwork, guys. You know, Botamo and Magetta together were quite the force when they were fighting in the Universal Survivor saga, but obviously they didn't win. And sibling squabble, okay. So the sibling squabble, I've had a few of those. I've got 3 brothers. Hey, shout out to you guys. How you doing, guys? All right. Dell's Harness Power, Zamasu self-supported Yajirobe, Son Goku, Kaba, Vegeta, Good Gravy. We've Campari, Whis, the Nameless Planet, and we have Martin. All right. Martin, what do we have behind Martin? There we go, guys. Again, it's a card I have in my set already, but another super rare guy. Adele, Zamasu, Kaba, Gohan, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Body Steel, Konek, Beerus, the Nameless Planet, and we've got Fancy Pants McGinty over here again. I've showed this card off before. It is a well-made card, guys. I really do love the aura, you know. But hey, pulling secondary cards, not a bad thing in this. Oh, Trunks. Wah, wah. Another Whis leader card here. Mai opposing the Divine. Frieza, Universe 7, Kaba, Vegeta, Son Goku, erasing the universe, Zamasu, good gravy. Yes! Yes, this was definitely one of the leader cards I wanted most as far as holo goes, guys. The UI Goku obviously would be a cool one to get. But that is so nice, guys. Look at that card. Just awesome. Just, hey, Alamo. Son Goku, Demon God Emperor Leader 17, Son Goku again, Son Gohan, Trunks, Maganin, Frost, The Coercion, Finn, and we have a new one here, guys. This is Vegeta's Harness Power, hollow common, but definitely nice looking card. Like, they get these guys in so many cool looking shots. And just all the different moves they've got, obviously. They can showcase different colors, different, angles. It looks sweet, guys. Oh my gosh, there we go. Let's go, guys. Look at that puppy there. Fused Zamasu Exterminating Force. That is like the coolest shot of that sort of corrupted fused Zamasu, guys, when he just starts going berserk against Trunks in the future there. That's definitely a saga worth watching, guys. I gotta say, that Goku Black saga is something else. That is awesome. Yeah. God Rare, guys. We're gonna get that God Rare today. Alright, Videl. There's Golden Frieza in 17. Spectate. Mudnaka. It must be chilly outside. Vegeta. Korin. Beerus being belligerent again. It's the god of destruction. Of course, he's always gonna want to fight. Magetta. Body Steel. There we go. Okay, we gotta make a wish on this Super Shenron, right? Oh, Super Shenron. We need your power to get... No, we don't want him. Okay, can we start over? No, we can't start over. Oh, crap. Universe 7, Unified, Supreme Kai of Time, Zamasu, Super Saiyan Trunks, Racing Universe, and it's still cold outside, Manaka. The Nameless Planet, Zamasu, Finn's Evolution, Sawar. Alright, guys, now that is a cool looking card. I was wondering how that was going to come out just because of how much, lighting there really is without the holo, but they did a good job. Again, very impressive. And behind that, well, not so impressive, but what are you going to do? Super Saiyan God Trunks leader card there, guys. Super Saiyan Gogeta, Demigra, Vegeta, Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Spectate, Maganon, the Unicorn Man, Botamo with his green claws, guys. See, they really did make that card pop. Alright. Alright, Super Shenron. I've asked a lot of you lately, but if you could just put a secret rare behind you again. Come on now. Oh my god. We've got the fire card. Oh. Oh, Super Shenron. Alright, guys, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Now, unfortunately, I do see a little bit of problems in this one here, guys. Which is the first for this set for me. But you can see that great big line that goes across there. And there's actually another secondary line. It's harder to see that goes across there. But again, that is still a sick special rare card, guys. That is awesome. The Great Priest, Super Saiyan Kappa, Champa, Piccolo, Robaloo, Vegeta, Koran, Planet Mogina Monster, Magetta, Toa. When you're looking at us like that, you've always seems to got something nice behind you. Well, not him. He wants to punch me in the face, it looks like. Okay, and punch in the face. No. And we've got Whis Rejuvenating Support, Vados, Trunks, Super Saiyan Goku, Vados, Son Goku, Goasu, Martin, Legend of Super Saiyan God, okay? And we got Zamasu. Oh, look at that, guys. Again, I had showcased one of these cards on another video, just how they do that, kind of like that matte red. Comes out like almost looking like dry blood, but like look at this card, guys. I can't even do this justice in this lighting right now, but that is sick. And, you know, would have been nice if you were hollow too, but Jiminy Cricket. Mira's Unwavering Loyalty, Universe 7 Unified, Super Saiyan Vegeta the Interceptor, the Shadows Aligned, Android 17 heeding the call, Whis gonna try to poke me, don't poke me, Gravy, before it was good gravy, Frost, okay, Korun, Beerus, and Son Goku doing a sweet looking dance move, it looks like, guys. He's either throwing down for a dance or he's about to punch someone in the face. I'll tell ya. Let's see what kind of goodness we can pull here. We've Champa, Vados, Son Gohan, Vegeta, Vegeta. There's our boy we just pulled not long ago. We've Zamasu plotting eradication. Poutine, I will be plotting your eradication later at hand at dinner time. Kambari, and Poutine came back for more, huh? Oh, I'm gonna annihilate you, Poutine. What's this? Oh! Sweet! There we go, guys. We've got ourselves another Poutine Hollow and our second Vegeta Silent Strike Hollow, guys, but there is nothing wrong with that. That is a sweet card. Bulma, Future on the Line, Vados, Kaba, Vegeta, Demon God Dabura, Son Gohan, Beerus, Super Saiyan God Legend Botamo, Zamasu, and we have Stinky Pants Frost over here. He looks stinky. I think those are the stink lines of his people. And what is Stinky McGinty is hiding? Super Saiyan 2 Trunks Future on the line, guys. Ooh, there's our Goku leader card. Supreme Kai Time. There's Frieza, Trunks, Father-Son Teamwork, Spectate. There's Vados, Vegeta, Toa, the Nameless Planet, Mojito. Gotta muddle that lime. Muddle the lime. We gotta muddle the mint. What am I on? Uh-oh. Is he gonna snap his fingers? I don't like when these guys snap their fingers. And that's getting punched in the stomach with damage negation. That's a pretty sweet card though, guys. That Great Priest card. Definitely some cool swirls going on in there. Like, just look at the multiple colors going on, guys. Awesome. Awesome card. Awesome card. There's my Super Saiyan Gogeta, Son Gohan, Super Saiyan Trunks, Super Saiyan Goku, Manaka telling us it's cold outside, and there's Frost saying, I'm the one who made it cold, and there's the dragon who hasn't been granting our wishes today. He knows what we want. I'm not going to ask him again. Okay. Planet Mogina Monster, Magetta. Alright, there is another new one, guys, and that is a creepy looking Demigra challenging a demon god. I thought he was the demon god. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Look at this special. That is just sick. We've got Goku going at Jiren in the most epic battle of all time. That is amazing. I am so stoked to have that in the collection, guys. Wow. Wow. Whis leader card, Whis Rejuvenation, Demon God Demigra. That's not Demon God Dabura. Okay, Vegeta, Shadows Aligned, Son Goku, Attack of the Dark Empire, Conic, Demon God Good Gravy, and we've Goasu the Careless, and there's our chilly boy Frost making her cold outside. Oh yeah, boy. That is actually quite a sweet looking card. Look at the way they do the aura, just like tight knit to the body when you first get that glimpse of the light on it. It just creates such depth, guys. It's so awesome. All right. This one, spoiler alert, Great Priest, we got him, Whis, Robaloo, Vegeta, Yajirobe, Whis, Martin, Coercion, and some Gravy, and we have Sawar, which is definitely a new angel in our collection, guys, but Crocodile. See, we Vegeta and Trunks, we pulled that leader. That was quite the good pull. We pulled that one. I don't know if we have that card hollow. We have him hollow. We've got this card hollow. We've got that card hollow. Don't have Maganon, the Unicorn Man. Sawar. Finn, the referee. And, whoa. Okay, well, there goes Gohan. See you later, alligator. Great Sandman outfit, but no, he's still wearing the same outfit. Well, he was out of here. He was out of here, I tell ya. I'm out of here, he says. Vados, the Angel of Universe 6. There's our Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black leader, Rumshi. Super Saiyan Vegeta, the Interceptor, Vegeta's father-son teamwork. Goku, Vados, Toa, Mojito, and the monster has the sibling squabble there, guys, covered up. But that is, again, another cool card, you know, just a holo rare, but like looking at this, just those outlines on those guys there, like look at that card, guys. That just looks awesome. And again, Goku Black behind there, a non-holo rare, guys. Super Saiyan Son Goku, Supreme Kai of Time, Mira, Robaloo, Vegeta, Yajirobe, Son Goku, Botamo, Goasu, Poutine, and we have Pan challenging a demon god, guys. That is a nice looking card there. Pan, are you hiding anything? Well, you're hiding a new card I don't have quite yet. There you go. Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta ready to strike, guys. Definitely a card I needed in the set anyhow. And there's Beerus, Bulma, Carefree Playtime, Piccolo, Son Gohan, Son Goku, Sawar, Whis, Beerus' backup, Support the Dark Empire, United, and we have our Vados Hollow, guys. There we go, another new angel card to add to our collection. And there we go. Let's see what we can see here. We've got Trunks. There is Trunks and Vegeta. There's Trunks again. Android 17. Super Saiyan Vegeta. Demigra challenging a demon god. Gravy's annihilation at hand. Martin. The legend of the Super Saiyan God. I'd love to see a Super Saiyan God. Oh, cool, guys. That is a sweet card. I am happy I pulled this one in a holo. Yeah, just these creepy dudes, the Zeno there, just, yeah, insane. And yeah, there we go, guys. This was the box topper I had here. So now I have it, I'll be having that sleeved up and put in the collection. Nice. Or a secret rare even, guys, that would be sweet. Vegeta, Super Shenron, there's Vegeta, Shadows Align, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Kaba, Zamasu, Attack of the Dark Empire, Konik, blocking a Goku, Battle of Universe 6, and a Realm of the Gods Black Kamehameha non-holo, guys. But now we've scored that one in the SPR earlier, so can't complain. But another cool looking iconic artwork of Goku. Just, again, guys, that's something. Golden Frieza for Universe's survival. Okay, Son Goku Crimson Warrior leader card there. Son Goku challenging a demon god. Son Gohan harness power. Super Saiyan Blue Son Goku futures on the line. Erase the universe. Beerus, a belligerent god. Support of the Dark Empire. Coercion. I feel like I need to say, give me that god rare, guys. Poutine. And there is Whis. Beerus is backup. All right. Just a common holo there, but still a very cool card. And another new one. And behind Wheaties, there we go, guys. Oh, well, Beerus is backup. And then we've got Beerus, the Ruthless Pursuer, guys. Now, as a super rare, that thing looks sweet. Oh, man, that is awesome. Awesome card. Okay. Garbage Mountain over here to my left. We've Golden Frieza, Majin Buu, Battle Universe 6, Whis, Demon God Dabura, Son Gohan, Yajirobe, Mojito, Beerus, Referee, Body Steel, and our Shadows Aligned Holo Common. Cool card. Like, again, I'm just always interested to see how they do these in the holo versions, and again, not disappointed. Very well done. Very clean. Oh my goodness. Oh jeez. Well, here come the big guns, boys. Oh, that is a sweet super rare again, guys. That is awesome. Another super rare to add to that, guys. Okay, our last pack here, Goku. What do you have for us? And what can we get out of Goku? Okay, there's Whis. There's Dabura. And there is the Great Priest. There's Goku. Here's Kappa. There's Vegeta. Another Goku. And good gravy. Campari. And we had him last pack, and now we've got Frost. Oh, yeah, the classic alien long head form there. And what do we have? A wah-wah. Well, guys, didn't pull any secret rares today. Didn't pull that God rare, guys. But again, you know, the odds of getting those cards are really quite something. They are insane, to say the least. So, you know, definitely happy with everything we did get here today out of our premium pack set, guys. Now, I'm going to go ahead just and sleeve everything up and kind of give you a breakdown of all the super rares, the special rares, and everything that we got here today, guys. So just go ahead, hang tight while I get this all figured out here. All right, guys, so we're going to break down exactly what we got out of those 8 premium pack set boxes and see what kind of averages we hit. So we have commons here. Common 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, guys, so 16. Well, that's exactly 1 every 2 packs out of our 32 packs, guys. So nothing wrong with that. Now, into our uncommons here, we've got our 2 leaders that we pulled. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So 9, well, we're going about just a little off of 1 every 3 packs there for holo uncommon, guys. Now for our rares, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. So we're on to 32 by 8 would be 4. So just a little bit off of 1 every 4 packs there, guys, for our holo rares. Now, here's where we're getting into some goodies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, super rares, guys. So just off of 1 every 4 packs. And we pulled some awesome special rares too, guys. No secret rares, but I think out of the special rares, if you were going to pull any of them, these 3 I do believe are among the most sought after. So I could be wrong, but I'm pretty darn sure we just pulled some sweet fire in this video, guys. And don't forget, every one of those packs you get 2 of these promo cards. So I've gone ahead and I've opened up 2 for myself. I've opened up 2 for the kids there, and then we're also going to be giving away 5 of those sleeve packs there, guys, in upcoming giveaways. So definitely something nice to have in the collection. And you really can't complain about these boxes, guys. These Realm of the Gods premium pack set boxes really do have a good ratio of hits. It's unfortunate that we didn't pull any secret rares or god rares or anything like that, guys, but you can't have a video like a god box every video. I'm telling you, you wish you could, but you can't. So I just wanted to say again, thanks to everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, another quick shout out there to Mirage Trading there for hooking us up with some good deals on what we have here. Definitely check them out, guys. Check out their website to see what they've got going. They've got some of the nicer sets here. These older sets, they're really not that old, but they're getting up there in price. And I tell you what, they've got them on for a great deal right now, guys. I'm pretty sure they're still sold out of the Realm of Gods, but they could be getting more, could be wrong. But, check out their website. Regardless, they've got more than just Dragon Ball cards. They've got Pokemon cards, they've got hockey cards, all kinds of sleeves, and these, these little one-touch magnet holders for your secret rare pulls and what have you. So definitely check them out, guys. So again, thanks for joining us. Make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. And don't be missing our next upcoming video. It's going to be coming up in a couple of weeks, guys. We have a little back in time coming up. We are going to be going back and doing a Supreme Rivalry booster box, guys. Set number 13 of the Unison Warrior series. So you're not going to want to miss it. And make sure... have yourself a good day, and we'll see you again.